Here is a warning: copying your competitor's AI strategy is a trap. Every company has unique processes, culture, and data. What works for one organization may fail spectacularly in another. But blindly replicating AI initiatives can waste resources, create misalignment, and even backfire. Instead, focus on understanding your business goals, mapping AI to your specific challenges, and designing solutions that leverage your unique data and processes. AI isn't it a template, it's a strategic lever that must be customized. The companies that succeed are the ones who think critically, innovate, and adapt AI to their reality, not someone else's.